Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Tech Essence. Tech Essence is a channel where you get insights of how you can work as a part-time or a full-time freelancer. I have made a course on copywriting also, and I have made a video on how much you can earn by selling the skill. And I have also showed you guys how you can be a successful copywriter. I have made a series of videos where I shall explain you A to Z of what is copywriting and how you can be a good copywriter so that you can earn up to $100 to $120 per order. I'll make sure to link the playlist over here on the screen itself as well as in the description box. I have made nearly 3 lessons till now, and I'm gonna upload the lessons soon. So I thought that why not add another skill also to your skill set. So I'm on Fiverr, you can see right now, and I have searched for Instagram marketing. So you can see that I have got around not even 1500 services are available. You can see that. So the competition is low. And in case you're wondering that you want to rank your gig on the very first page, I have made a separate video on how you can do that also. So make sure to watch that video before you watch this video so that you are not tensed up on how to rank your gig on the very first page. So I'll also link over here in the description box as well as over here in the on the screen you can see the link to that video. So you can click over there and watch the video, and you can see that this person over here, he is going to do Instagram marketing for organic growth and will charge you around $50. I'll be your Instagram marketing manager, $30. I'll do Instagram marketing to grow followers and engagement, $150. Over here, you can see that I'll do Instagram marketing and promotion organically, $25. And if we go even down, I'll do professionally organic Instagram marketing, $30. I will grow Instagram marketing and promotion and manage Instagram, $40. And this one is a pro verified, so he'll charge around $250. So you can see that the average cost is around $30 to $40 per order. You can see over here some people are charging around, see, I will do for this person will do it for 30 days. Will do Instagram ads for 30 days, Instagram full page management for just 30 days, and will charge around $40. Let us open her profile in a new tab so that we can see the other services that this freelancer is providing, so that I can teach you guys that skill also. And if we move on to second page, let us see. So you can see that $10, $20, $25 over here, $30 over here, $40 over here. So the average cost would be around $40 to $30. So you can earn that much per, I can say, order. And let us see the services. So it will this person would just schedule the post for 30 days. That's it. So it would be one account, increase in follower and engagement, plus post creation, one per day. Okay. And if we go for standard, then it would be 2 account, increase in followers. So basically, he or she will provide an additional 1 account service. So this will be 3 account and then $90. So you can just go on doing that also. So the services that shall include is that he'll increase the real follower and who are interested in your page. He'll increase your audience. Engagement would be increased. Expert advisory. She shall give advice also. So I shall cover that also. What kind of advice you can give to your customers, as well as I'll teach you A to Z everything, how you can manage and create from creation of Instagram account to how you are going to ask your customers about their goals and how you are going to present the whole plan and action to him, as well as how you yourself are going to design the post. I should also teach you guys how you'll design your post, how you're gonna search for hashtags, how you're gonna do the ads, and how you're gonna increase the engagement. I'm gonna teach you everything in this course. I have also made a course on copywriting, and make sure that you watch that course also in case you are interested in earning around $100 to $120 per order by learning that skill. So make sure to watch that also. So that's it for today's video. Like, before ending this video, let me just show you guys some, what I can say, some premium pro verified accounts also, so that you don't end up, if you are a pro verified person over here on Firework Pro, then you are just going to be like charging a huge amount when compared to the previous um, things that we discussed, that is normal user on Firework. So you can see that the charges that are charged by pro verified people are $335, $300, $100, $450. So the charge is so high, and if you master the skill, then the limit is again endless. So you can see that if you dedicatedly follow each and every lesson on my course, in this that I shall teach you in this course of Instagram marketing, then you can definitely be a pro verified also. After you have a little bit of experience of being a normal freelancer, you can apply for being a pro verified one and sell your Instagram marketing skill offline also. So there's a huge opportunity in this, as well as I also told you guys that the competition is low, so you don't need to worry about it. Like for other skills, you might see that the amount of services that are available is around 10k or maybe 20k or even more than that. So you can see over here that the competition is also very low, and so it's the best option for you to learn the skill also, and as well as you can use it for yourself also to increase your own followers, as well as to market your own products. So Instagram marketing is a very important skill that one should learn. So that was it for today's video. I hope you liked the video, and make sure to hit the like button if this video was useful for you, and share it with your friends if they want to do part-time jobs as freelancer, as well as make their career in Instagram marketing. So Instagram marketing is a big field, but if you really go through each and every content that I'm going to share with you guys, then definitely you can become a good skilled person in this skill. And so make sure to subscribe to my channel also, so that you don't miss any videos that I shall be posting in future about where I shall teach you guys the skills that can pay you huge amount in dollars, as well as I also teach you guys how you can do that skill, learn that skill, and uh, supply the services, so and give the service. I also teach you guys how to find the clients, as well as how to deal with them, how you can get the orders, and what you exactly need to do after you get the order, and finally how to deliver it. So make sure to subscribe to my channel also, so you don't miss up on any of the things that I post, videos that I post. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.